Ayan guys, nag-snow.
Here, there.
Ha? Look at that Irene. This snow is a bit bigger now. Ayan guys. Back road. Back alley. Ayan o, may Christmas tree na tayo ngayon. Ayan, lumalakas ang ano. Kaninang umaga, ano lang siya. Maliliit lang na flakes. Yan sa kabila na yan. Ano? May ilog dyan sa gitna, guys.
So what do you see there?
I'm taking a video.
What's that?
Video.
There's just no hardly any water in the river.
Yeah.
Hardly any.
The river is already frozen, isn't it?
What's that?
The river is frozen. See? Big flakes of snow now. We're gonna take 10 minutes video.
That deer walks by close to the bird feeder and tries to stick his
But now
big
don't have,
little nose in that bird feeder, and it won't reach.
usually when I go home, I have seen 3 there in our yard.
What's that?
3 there in our yard. It's so icy. Look at that, guys. There you go.
you can see it's trees and bits of snow in
The-
between the trees.
Yeah. Look at the trees. It's look like Christmas tree.
Yeah, it's pretty.
It's white. The other day I want to take the video, but it doesn't look so good when you see the trees don't have leaves, isn't it? But at least now it's white. It's good.
Yeah.
Because if don't have snow, it doesn't look good, as if the tree are already dead, isn't it? Snowing. At least might be wondering where I am.
What's that?
At least might be wondering where I am.
Who's that?
I
What?
said I'm gonna take picture.
No, what's the person's name that you said would be wondering?
Liz. Liz.
What's that?
Liz.
Liz. What's her last name?
Person.
What's that?
Liz.
Liz. I still am not sure who you.
Oh, the one that I have seen like that white line is that one. Fluorescent. Let me see. Yan guys, yung kulay green yung mga Christmas tree. Green pa rin siya. Pero yung iba. This is, I forgot this kind of tree. Poplar, isn't it, Irene? Poplar?
Poplar?
Poplar, that one.
Poplar?
Yep. Isn't it?
I think so. Because the greener ones are spruce and
Yeah. That one is Christmas tree, that green color one.
yeah.
It doesn't change the color during winter time, isn't it? Yan, maraming salamat guys sa panonood nyo. Ingat kayo lagi. Bye-bye.